and I will give you all the details like how much we paid, what is the package that we... Guys, we are doing a very middle class thing because we are going on a staycation. So this is the JW Marriott Sahar. This is just... Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're seeing me for the first time, then hi, my name is Nikita and welcome to my channel. And I am extraordinarily chirpy today because we are going on a staycation. So actually it was our wedding anniversary yesterday, our third wedding anniversary, but because of it was a Friday and because we were both working, we couldn't do anything, so we just decided to go for a staycation. So we are actually headed to JW Marriott in Mumbai itself, and I have decided to vlog this day. Last time we went on a staycation somewhere around October or November, we went to Taj and I had vlogged that day as well. And considering that I'm still very new on YouTube and I have a small channel, but that video did very well for my channel, so I decided to vlog this experience as well. So I hope you enjoy this vlog, and if you have not seen that video, I'm going to link it somewhere on the screen and also put it in the description box, so maybe you can check out that video as well. So today is Saturday, so we are taking a staycation tonight, so Saturday, Sunday, and we are already delayed because already 1 and I still need to pack. So I'm just going to do that in the next 10 minutes and we're just going to leave, and I will give you all the details like how much we paid, what is the package that we took and everything once we reach the hotel. How excited are you to see the room?
Mad excited, mad excited. I have never seen this property and it's looking gorgeous.
And they have upgraded us again. I'm going to give you the details once we reach the room. Let's see the room. First impression.
Okay, nice.
Okay. Wow. That's an amazing room.
Oh, wow, that's the bath is already drawn.
It's because we are celebrating our anniversary. They've given us a cake, decoration, also in the bathtub. But they will be Mr. and Mrs. Vijay. How do you feel being Mr. Vijay?
I'm on it, I'm on it.
I'm very sad to have this cake in this vlog. First impressions about the room?
It's gorgeous. I did not expect
So let me give you all a room tour. That's the entrance. This is the bed. One chair, another chair, and that's the bathroom. Obviously this door shuts. And now let me give you all the details on the package that we have taken and how much we've paid. Okay, so now let me give you all the details about the room. So this is the JW Marriott Sahar. This is just next to the airport. There's one more JW in Mumbai, which is in Juhu, but this is relatively a new property. So we've taken the JW Marriott staycation package wherein they were running various offers. So we had taken a room. I don't remember the category of the room that I had taken, but they've upgraded the room for us. So we have actually paid 7,100 for this room. And what you get in this package is one, room upgrade. Secondly, dinner and breakfast is included. So you could actually choose between dinner and lunch. They have the half board thing. So we chose dinner and breakfast. And there was also an option of having lunch, dinner and breakfast. But last time we had taken that at the Taj, and that was really too much for us to eat. So we chose only to take 2 things, but we are going to end up ordering room service now because we are hungry. So anyway, we chose dinner and breakfast. Plus, what you get is a late checkout and an early check-in. So we will be checking out tomorrow around 4 or 5 p.m. So essentially, you are there. You can be here for almost 2 days, and you can also check in early around 11 a.m. Obviously, these things are subject to availability, but we got it. So we booked this on the JW site itself. It is also available on booking.com and on agoda.com for the same price, 7,100 for half board for the weekend. There are other options also. There are cheaper options and expensive options as well, but we chose to book from the site itself because I've seen the rooms that they give you when you book directly on their website is usually better if than going through an aggregator, which is why we chose to do that. And now we're just going to be here till tomorrow and enjoy this experience and rest. And I'm surprised, but the hotel is quite full. Like I could see many people, but there were very good norms for safety, sanitization and everything. Social distancing and all was there. So that way we felt safe till now. Now let's just change into PJs and order room service.
Miss Vijay.
No, today I'll let you cut the cake. Cut it, chalo.
Okay, are you sure?
Yeah, chalo, I'll just put my hand. It's a mousse, it's a mousse kind of a thing, right?
Yeah, it's looking crazy.
I can't wait for a spoon, guys. This looks insane.
Happy anniversary to you. Yeah.
Happy anniversary. Sorry, like, ate it before. Guys, you were looking for the dining menu since past 10-15 minutes. बाद में पता चला that TV पे scan करना है. Guys, we are doing a very middle class thing. So we checked the in-room dining menu, and there are very limited options, and the options are very expensive. And then I just checked Zomato, and there is a wrap outlet just a few minutes away, like 5 minutes away. So we decided to ditch the in-room dining and instead go and have some wraps. So that's what we are doing now. Getting ready to go. Save money, guys. Save money wherever you can. Guys, we got our wraps. Plus, there was a McDonald's here, so Mandeep got fries and Coke and all. And I think we paid 350 rupees for all of this. So, totally worth it. So, I think we made a very good decision.
Cheers.
Cheers! And now we are heading for dinner. First course. I'm going for it.
2,000 years later.
Nice.
So this is the chicken and bacon pasta, and I was trying to get one of each, like one piece of chicken, one bacon, one pasta.
How is it?
Really yum. I've never had bacon and pasta.
Nice.
Really yum.
And shall we ask your hair, how did it like the hummus?
Oh god. Haha. Sorry. Look at the amount of gajar halwa this man has taken.
Love it.
Even when there's so much gajar halwa in our house.
Living the good life, guys. Living. Oh my god. And look at that plate.
And this is just like 40% of the desserts that are there, right? We have just come to the pool to chill. Amazing seating area over here.
Nice pizza.
Yeah, really nice.
So guys, this is the night view of the hotel. It's really peaceful. We were just sitting out there in one of those shamianas out here. It's a really lovely location. Some construction going on at the airport out here, T2. There are some planes out here, just over here. I'm not sure if you can see that in the night vision. Yeah, gorgeous view, yeah, gorgeous. I love it. It's just surreal looking at the airport lit up like this, so up close, and having such a nice pool completely empty.
Good morning, everyone. So we are headed for breakfast now. The breakfast is till 11 o'clock and it's already 10:30. So we're going to rush now. Mandeep is actually not ready yet. So I think I'm just going to go down, take a table till then. Because it's going to be crowded because last night dinner was crowded as well. So let's just head for breakfast now.
This is the egg station, which is the busiest one at any buffet. That's bacon, pork sausages, chicken sausages. This is the dosa center. Waiting for my eggs. Best thing to go with an omelette, toast, and definitely bacon. So she has gone to get some bacon as soon as she saw that I've got bacon. Nice. You're looking gorgeous here today. That's Nikki's first love. Desserts.
Yum.
Okay guys, so we just saw that these guys grow their own herbs. Lemongrass, there's green basil,
There are fruits as well.
there's aloe vera,
There's a lot of
there's curry patta,
Look at this one, they just sold it.
and this is normal basil. This is not green basil, I guess.
Oh, look at the tulsi. There's so much. There's like fruit, there's fruits over there.
Whoa, that's guava over there. Guava दिख नहीं रहा है. खा लिया लोग. तुलसी माँ, पुदीना. ओ भाई, इधर ब्रिंजल है, ब्रिंजल. कल इसके बच्चे खाए अपन ने, बेबी ऑबरजीन्स. ये इधर गैस मारो क्या है गाइस. इधर लिखा नहीं है क्या है, बट ये आप देखो यहाँ पे ये है फ्रूट्स जो आया है ये यहाँ पे. ये पुदीना तो नहीं है निकी जी. आप प्लीज़ ज़रा
आंवला
कमेंट्स में बताइए ये आंवला है कि क्या है.
नहीं, आंवला भी नहीं है.
ये क्या है गाइस. अभी हम निकी जैसे एक और रॉन्ग गैस मारने को कहते हैं. बताइए निकी जी.
इसका शेप देख के स्पिनच लग रहा है.
और ये इनको
So after that heavy breakfast, we slept a lot, and now it's time for the best part about staying at a 5-star bubble bath. This looks This already looks so relaxing. Are you ready?
Yo.
This man loves a good bubble bath. Hi guys, so before we end the vlog, we just wanted to give you a quick review of this staycation and how was it? What are your views?
So it was an amazing experience. I mean, the last 24 hours out here have been killer.
Yeah, so if I had to review it, everything was perfect. The food, the stay, hospitality was also good. Everything was good, but just that if you had to compare it with Taj, I would say the hospitality is a little lower than Taj, obviously, because
Taj is Taj, yeah.
yeah, Taj being the pioneer. But then again, please remember that the cost of this staycation was nearly half of Taj,
Correct.
because we paid only 7,000 here.
Correct.
There we had paid 13,500.
True.
And
But-
that was a weekday and this is a weekend.
But having said that, the property is amazing.
Yeah.
Like if you want to enjoy the pool, I mean obviously not in the pool but around the pool, the gymnasium out here, the cabanas near the pool especially. I mean, oh god, I loved it. Like today also we spent a couple of hours over there, right? Yeah, it was amazing.
So overall, a big thumbs up from our side if you're looking to come to JW Marriott. And my only tip would be that go to their website and book and look for the staycation package. Like they have, when I was booking, there were various options. There was a normal rate, then there was a special deal, but there was a separate section called Marriott Staycation. Book that because there is where you get all these lunch, dinner, breakfast and everything included. Plus you get late checkout because it's already 4 p.m. and we are still here.
Correct.
So that's a great thing.
Yeah, and also do try to get in onto their Bonvoy lounge access or
Yeah.
the Bonvoy membership program, because you get certain loyalty points as well, and then once you accumulate a couple of those points, you can also then avail those against freebies as well as some extended hours.
Yeah, you can join the membership when you book, or if you don't get that option, you can just come here and tell them that you want to enroll, and they'll also, I think they also link this current stay also to that.
Correct.
So with that, we end the staycation vlog, and I hope you all liked the vlog. And if you all liked it, do not forget to hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel, because that is what will encourage me to make more videos. And also, if you all have any special requests, you can leave it in the comments. And we'll see you in our next video. Bye. Take care.